Hello children, welcome to our English period. Now we will start with the poem recitation the explanation that we completed in the last video. Come on, let us start with the recitation. Open your textbook, page number 23. We will just recite the poem once again. Okay, 2.1, the clothesline. Let us start. Hand in hand they dance in a row, hither and thither and to and fro, flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. Like restive horses they caper and prance, like fairy tale witches they wildly dance. Rounded in front and but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wind. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly, still she was free. Then, leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird and no one can find her. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. Okay, children, start learning the poem. You can give a good tune to this poem, then it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, children, now let us start with the word meanings. Okay, now we will just go through the word meanings, new word meanings. Restive means restless. Frigidity, unable to remain still. Frigidity means uneasy, feeling of uneasiness, that is restive. Caper means leap, skip or dance about in a lively, playful manner. Prance means walk or move with high, springy steps. Now, springy steps means quick walk with full of energy, that is springy steps. Widely here means very hard, violently. Pegs means pins used to secure something in place, as for example, clothes on a clothesline. Okay, children, so these are the 5 word meanings given in your textbook. I will be giving you some more meanings, that whole meanings you have to, new words and meanings you have to copy down in your classwork copy. Okay, now let us see the exercise, that is the pointers given on page number 24. Okay, now what is the first question? Read the poem aloud, recite any stanza of your choice from memory. Okay, that you have to do. Next is answer the following questions with reference to the poem. Now we will just discuss the answers, then I will give you these answers in the PDF format. You have to copy down this in your classwork copy. Okay, now first question is, what is described in the poem? The fluttering and dancing clothes on the clothesline, and particularly the poet's handkerchief described in the poem. This is the first answer. Second one, what are the clothes compared to? Give 2 examples. The clothes are compared to restive horses and fairy tale witches. Okay, now next question number 3. What do restive horses do? The restive horses caper and prance. Next is, what do fairy tale witches do? The fairy tale witches wildly dance. Question number E. What did one of the fluttering creatures do? One of the fluttering creatures danced wildly, struggled and freed herself and then flew away. Then question number F. What could have happened to the one who flew away? Who was she? That was a handkerchief, and it could have hid in a ditch or drowned in a sea. Okay, children, so these were the answers I will give you. Okay, now we will move to question number 3. Form groups and discuss the following question. Now here just we will discuss the question. What is given here? Why are clothes compared to living things? Okay, children, this I am discussing. This also you will write in your own words in your copy. Okay. Now, why are clothes compared to living things? Now, the answer will be, why are the clothes compared to living things? Yes, the clothes are compared to living things as the clothes feel need to be free from any kind of bondage, just like living things. Like we also don't like bondages, we want to live free. In the same way, here clothes are also said to be said to be, means they like to be free from any kind of bondage. That's why they are compared to living things. Okay. Now the next one, the events described in the poem take place at a certain place, at a certain period of the year, under specific weather conditions. Describe the place, the time and the weather conditions. Okay children, any guesses for this answer? Which is the place, time and weather condition described in the poem? Okay, the events described may be taking place, we are not sure, may be taking place in the backyard of a house during the spring season, while the warm air in the afternoon makes the weather seem warmer than usual. Okay children, so this are the weather condition, maybe they are described in this way in the poem. Okay children, so these two answers you have to frame on your own. Okay, now we will move to next question.